By default, Leo product recommendation comes with continue shopping and checkout button. But if you want to hide this, then just simply go back to your Leo product recommendation settings, and from under button visibility, simply uncheck this too and click on save settings, and let's go to the front end and let's reload the page from here, and again click on add to cart from here, and from here you can see that this two button disappears. And if you want to show any close icon here, then just simply go back to your Leo product recommendation settings, and from here scroll down and click here, simply check this pop-up close icon and save settings, and let's reload this and click on add to cart again, and you can see that we have a pop-up close icon. Okay, if I click on this icon, the pop-up will be closed. Okay, and let's go and bring back our continue shopping button and our go to checkout button. Okay, so simply check this too and click on save settings from here, and let's reload the page again from here, and let's click on add to cart again, and you can see that this is how our button appears like before with a pop-up close icon. That's all about button visibility.